and a lump in my throat. Daddy leaned over the passenger door, said, son, there's a living on this factory floor. He pressed a silver dollar right into my hand, said, a man ain't built by the dirt on his land. A good day's work ain't the cash in your sleeve, it's the man in the mirror when it's time to leave. So raise your glass, raise it high, underneath this rust belt sky, for the gravel roads and the miles we led, for the sweat we bled and the words we said. They can chain the gates, they can lock the doors, but they can't take away what we labored for. You built this town built you, and that's one truth they can't undo. Some found a bride at the county fair, some left their youth in a folding chair. We buried our old men under the pine and raised up kids on the same punch line. Time rode on like a midnight train, laughter, liquor, and the pouring rain. You don't know you're standing on holy ground till the siren blows and the lights go down. These brick walls know every shift we work, every drop of grease on a flannel shirt. And when the final line stops running cold, the stories live on pure as gold. So raise your glass, raise it high. Ain't no shame in a grown man's eyes. We built more than steel under high beam lights. We built our